Create a faceless YouTube channel with AI step-by-step guide. Hey everyone! You know how much I love YouTube, right? It's changed my life. But what if I told you there's a way to win at YouTube ever showing your face? No cameras, no awkward recordings, just straight-up earnings. That's right, we're talking about faceless YouTube channels, and today, I'm gonna break it down step-by-step using the power of AI. You ready to make some YouTube magic happen? Let's do this. Alright, first things first. What exactly are we talking about here? A faceless YouTube channel is exactly what it sounds like. You, the mastermind, are behind the scenes. But you never actually have to be camera. No need to memorize lines, no awkward intros, just pure value for your viewers. Instead of you being the star, AI steps in to handle the heavy lifting. We're talking scripts written by AI, voiceovers that sound like real people, thanks AI, and even the video editing process can be automated. These channels aren't just some gimmick, they're out there crushing it, raking in thousands of dollars every single month. Okay, so you're convinced faceless channels are the future, because they are. Now it's time to pick your battlefield. I mean, your niche. This is where you gotta think smart. We want a niche that's got three things: high search volume, evergreen content, and of course, monetization potential. We're talking finance and investing, motivation, tech reviews, health tips, mind-blowing facts and documentaries, and of course anything related to AI and trending topics. Pick something you're genuinely interested in, something you wouldn't mind learning a ton about, because trust me, even though you're not on camera, you gotta be the expert behind the curtain. Now comes the fun part, creating the content. But don't worry, you don't need to be Shakespeare to write awesome YouTube scripts. This is where AI comes in clutch. We've got tools like ChatGPT, hey that's me, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai that are basically like having a team of pro writers at your fingertips. Just tell them what you want to write about, like write a YouTube script on your chosen topic, in 500 words, and bam, you've got a first draft ready to go. Of course, you'll want to tweak it, make it sound like, or at least the persona you're going for, keep it simple, engaging, and make sure it flows. Keep it snappy, keep it interesting, and keep them hooked. Okay, script is done. Time to give your channel a voice, literally. And no, you don't need to hire a voice actor or break out your best or worst Morgan Freeman impression. We're going with AI voiceovers, baby. There are some seriously impressive AI voice generators out there like 11 Labs, Murph.ai, Play.ht, and Lovo.ai. These bad boys offer a whole library of human-like voices, so you can find the perfect fit for your channel's vibe. Once you found the one, just upload your script, let the AI work its magic, and boom, you've got a high-quality voiceover ready to be dropped into your video. Easy peasy. Alright, we've got the words, we've got the voice, now we need something to see. Visuals are key to keeping people engaged, but don't worry, you don't need to be a Hollywood director to make your videos pop. There are tons of websites where you can find awesome stock footage and images like Pexels, Pixabay, Storyblocks, and Envato Elements. These sites have everything from stunning landscapes to close-ups of people working, so you're sure to find something that fits your script. And if you want to take things to the next level, check out AI-powered tools like Pictory.ai or InVideo. These platforms can actually analyze your script and automatically find relevant visuals to match. A good tip is to break your video into scenes based on the paragraphs in your script. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Editing? That sounds complicated, but hold up, because this is where the magic of AI really shines. You don't need to be a tech whiz or spend hours learning complex editing software. Tools like Pictory.ai and InVideo.io are here to save the day. With Pictory, you can literally paste your script, upload your voiceover, and it'll create the entire video for you, complete with visuals, transitions, and everything. InVideo works similarly, but it also gives you more drag-and-drop control if you want to get creative. And if you're all about those short, snappy videos, Canva Pro's video editor is a game changer. It's super user-friendly and perfect for creating eye-catching content. Trust me, these small touches make a world of difference. Your video is ready to go, but just uploading it to YouTube and hoping for the best is like throwing a message in a bottle and hoping it reaches the right person. We gotta use some SEO magic to make sure your masterpiece gets seen by the masses. First up, your title. This is crucial. Make it catchy, attention-grabbing, and most importantly, include relevant keywords that people are actually searching for. Think of it like this. Your title is your video's first impression, so make it count. Next, you need a custom thumbnail. Canva is a great tool for creating awesome thumbnails. Now let's talk about your video's description. This is prime real estate to stuff with even more keywords. Write a compelling summary of your video, include relevant links, and don't forget to use those all-important hashtags. And here's a pro tip: add chapters to your video with timestamps. This not only makes your video easier to navigate, but also gives YouTube more information about your content, which helps with those all-important search rankings. Tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ can be super helpful for optimizing your videos for search. Alright, now for the moment you've all been waiting for. how to turn your faceless YouTube channel into a money-making machine. There are 3 main ways to monetize your channel, and you can use 1, 2, or all 3 to maximize those earnings. First up, we've got the OG YouTube AdSense. This is where you join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money from ads displayed on your videos. The catch? You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be eligible. Next, we've got affiliate marketing. This is where you partner with brands and promote their products or services in your videos or video descriptions. You'll get a unique affiliate link, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. There are tons of affiliate programs out there, like Amazon Associates, Skillshare, and VPN services, so you can find products that align with your niche and audience. And last but not least, we've got sponsorships. This is where brands pay you directly to feature their products or services in your videos. Even smaller channels can land sponsorships if they have a dedicated audience and a niche that aligns with the brand's target market. The key is to provide value to your viewers and create high-quality content that brands would be proud to be associated with. Okay, you've got the tools, you've got the monetization strategies. Now it's time to unleash your channel upon the world and watch those subscriber numbers skyrocket. But how do you stand out in the vast sea of YouTube content? Here are a few tips to help you grow your channel faster than a MrBeast giveaway. First up, consistency is key. Imagine if I only uploaded a video once every few months. Aim to upload new videos at least 2 to 3 times a week to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Next, focus on creating high-retention videos. This means videos that people actually watch all the way through, not just click off after a few seconds. Hook them from the first frame and keep them glued to the screen until the very end. Another pro tip, jump on those trending topics. See what's blowing up on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, and create content around those themes. This is a surefire way to get more eyeballs on your videos. And don't sleep on YouTube Shorts. These short-form videos are all the rage right now, and they're a fantastic way to reach a wider audience and grow your channel quickly. Finally, remember that YouTube is a social platform, so be social. Engage with your viewers in the comments section, respond to messages, and foster a sense of community around your channel. People are more likely to stick around if they feel like they're part of something special. You've built an awesome faceless YouTube channel, you're raking in views and subscribers, and the money's starting to roll in. Now it's time to scale things up and automate as much as possible so you can sit back, relax, and watch your empire grow. Hire a scriptwriter to pump out those high-quality scripts, find a voiceover artist to give your channel that perfect voice, and get a video editor to handle the technical stuff. And don't forget about AI. Those AI tools we talked about earlier aren't just for beginners, they can be incredibly powerful for scaling your channel too. Use AI to generate video ideas, write scripts even faster, and automate repetitive tasks. The goal here is to build a system that runs like a well-oiled machine, even when you're not directly involved in every step of the process. So there you have it, a complete blueprint for building a wildly successful faceless YouTube channel using the power of AI. You can literally build a business from behind the scenes, earning passive income while you sleep, travel the world, or whatever else you want to do with your newfound freedom. The beauty of this business model is that it's scalable, sustainable, and perfect for anyone with an entrepreneurial spirit and a passion for creating awesome content. Don't wait for the perfect time to start, because the perfect time is now. Take what you've learned today, put it into action, and watch as your faceless YouTube empire begins to take shape. And hey, if you're feeling extra ambitious, share this video with a friend who's been thinking about starting a YouTube channel but needs that extra push. You never know, you might just inspire the next big faceless YouTube star. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.